Okay, it actually came on the 1st and 11 something. Let's see what we got. This is the October 2024 thing. Let's see what we got. Okay, so okay. So first thing is the hook and lure roundabout. That's actually well, that's pretty handy because like that will reflect like these would definitely reflect light, and the fish will, like, as you see, oh hey, yeah. You would not guess what the next one is. But yeah, that's $14.95. The next is a card I already have. Yay, I can use one. The Waniya Thibodeau signature card for $21.95. As I said, that's for dry scraping. This right here is for wet scraping. I like when I get the signature cards that I have already. I had ordered one anyway, so I had ordered one the one time. So yeah, I think this one will go into the first aid kit. Okay. Next is solar fire starting. I hope they keep with this. But yeah. Shows you, okay, here's the right way, here's the wrong way. That is 24-102. Nah, that's $1.85. And also for $1.85, tip card dehydration. Okay, it goes, okay, like 5, percent loss, 10% loss, 15% loss, and all that. So yeah. That's also $1.85. This is the thing of that. But that's cool that I got another Waniya Thibodeau cord. I like that. So yeah. Been not too hot lately. The past couple days. Yay. Also like the sticker. It's a smiling ghost, if you couldn't tell. That's nice. I get to use one of the Waniya Thibodeau cords. Yay. That makes me happy. Honestly, getting this on time definitely makes me happy. But yeah, it's great when I get a card that I already have only one of, so I can use it. But yeah, I want to talk about a little bit about the Waniya Thibodeau card and why I think it goes good with the Bushcraft Kelso card. Because one, the Bushcraft Kelso card, you can make your own tools. This, you can make your own, like, hide whatever. I like it. Has two small hooks and then the L-shaped hooks. And then it has a knife, and for when you hunt and when you fish. This is pretty much a, make your own whatever card. pretty much. So this is pretty much you making your own, like, hide stuff cord. Which we have Kelso cord, which I like. And I have I used any of this stuff yet? I don't know if I did. Someone will tell me. But yeah, I'm happy. Yeah. Oh, this will go really good with the Renai Thibodeau cord. This one about lure, hook and lure fishing kit. I'll go with it because it already has like it has the hooks, but they're not, but not too many smaller hooks. So yeah. Also, unless I get a decent amount of stuff this month, which I probably won't, so there probably won't be a post-apocalypse OP this month, but that's okay. I will do a few things, books or whatever, but who knows. Anyway, that's been October 2024's Grim Workshop. I'm glad it came on the first. Anyway, peace.